Hello everybody, thank you for watching. This is Ray coming at you from SCPA, just coming at you one more time to show you exactly how we're trying to make people's life easier and safer and just more streamlined with a very special debit card. But I'm here at my local supermarket, specifically Giant Supermarket, and I want to show you how our card is going to make your life easier by using this supermarket as an example. Now, you in your hometown pretty much have the same thing, which is a discount program at your supermarket where when you shop and you show your card, one like this one, you show that card at the register, you get discounts on things that you put on in your basket or in your cart, right? You know, you go put out to your register, you run your items, and then at the end of the purchase, sorry, at the end of the purchase, you see all the money that you saved. But let me give you some examples of how, it works. Okay, so now I'm inside Giant right now, and I want to show you this little sticker here, and it says 2 for $5. I'm looking at it backwards. So this cereal is 2 for $5, and if you show this card at the register, they'll apply the discount that it shows you. And here we see behind me a whole bunch of these products, right? Sorry, let me show you better. You can see them. A whole bunch of these stickers attached to products. So what I'm trying to share with you is that, our debit card, our rNetwork debit card, is going to have all those savings, just like here, savings. And I'm not talking about just the supermarket savings. That's not specifically what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about, you shopping all over the city, going to Starbucks, anywhere that sells food, restaurants, different clothing stores and things like that. You can get discounts on over 600,000 merchants. I'm not trying to name any specific ones. I'm just giving you examples. Okay, so you go there and shop, but instead of having to show one of these at the register, all you do is show your debit card, swipe your debit card, and it comes off automatically off your purchase. A card something like this one, similar to this one, or something like it, a debit card basically, and the savings come off automatically at the register, which is freaking amazing. Okay, and then here's the kicker. It's a free debit card. Where all the savings are going to be built into it already. So you don't have to show a cell phone. You don't have to show a barcode. You don't have to click coupons. Nothing like that. It's going to be already built in to your membership, to the card, and you swipe it at the register, and you're done. You see it on your receipt. It is so excellent. And we have so many examples of people saving already that it's unbelievable. It's really great to see something that actually works. Okay, now the debit card is coming out soon, and if you want like more info, or you want to get on the list to receive this special debit card, you can definitely comment info, anywhere around this video. And one more thing that I wanted to share with you. Now, think about this. The debit card is free. The app is free. You get to download it, but you also get to share it. Okay? You get to share it with other people and give it away for free. Now, here's the kicker. Every time you give away that free debit card to someone, you earn income each and every time they swipe. Okay? You earn income each and every time they swipe. Every time they purchase an item and save for themselves, you earn a piece of that transaction. That is awesome. Imagine you offering it to all your friends, family, and just having it spread out, and it's an opportunity of a lifetime. Okay, it'll change lives. I think you should take advantage. Okay, so just comment info. Let me know what you think, and God bless you. Take care, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye-bye.